Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're making my grandma's Mexican red rice. I start by filling a saucepan with purified water, enough to blanch 2 whole tomatoes. Then I cut 1/4 of an onion and remove the sprout from the center of 4 cloves of garlic. Once the water is boiling, I blanch 2 tomatoes till the skin cracks. I put them in cold water after, in order to cool them down so I don't burn my hands when I peel them. With the heat off, I quickly blanch the onion and garlic as well. After peeling the tomatoes, put all your ingredients in the blender and add a little water and blend them. I'm going to put the leftover hot water aside for later. Now rinse the rice until the water is clear. This helps the rice from clumping together when cooking. Add plenty of oil to your pan at a medium-high heat and let the rice dry out before adding it in. Make sure to fry the rice to a golden color, stirring occasionally to keep it from burning. Next, add in the sauce and let it cook down to a paste. Again, stirring occasionally to keep it from burning. When there isn't much water left, I move it to a smaller burner and begin to add the seasonings. I use chicken base, salt, and garlic powder. Now, let's add in the 1.5 cups of hot water we saved from earlier. Make sure your heat is on low and cook it for 14 minutes. Once the time is up, Turn off the heat and leave it closed for at least 10 minutes. Ready to try.
We hope you enjoyed our recipe, and we'll see you next time. Bye, Luna. Say bye.